This 50-watt self-amplified speaker system is what we call the sound of chrome. The new Generation 2 looks, performs, and rocks even better. The waterproof bullet housing has powerful built-in true 50-watt amplifier and includes a volume on-off control switch. Convenient swivel adjustment gives you the freedom to position speakers in any direction you choose. With a full plug-and-play wiring harness, noise purifier, and standard 3.5mm jack, simply connect your iPod, MP3 player, satellite radio, personal CD player, and ride on.